Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Action Poller. Visualforce Apex Action Poller component is used to poll the server periodically and perform an action at a set interval. It is helpful in scenarios where we want to refresh part of a page without requiring user interaction. Key attributes: interval defines the time in milliseconds between each server call. Action, the action method or action function to be called on the server side. Re-render specifies which Visualforce components should be updated after the server side action is completed. Let's see an example where the action poller is used to track the progress of a long running batch job. So we need to refresh a portion of the page every 10 seconds to show the updated status. Explanation: Apex Action Poller polls the server every 10 seconds interval 10,000. Check batch job status, a server side action method that updates the batch job status value. Re-render status panel refreshes the status panel element on the page after each server call. To do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account, and to create the Apex class and Visualforce page we need to click on setup gear icon, developer console, right click, open link in new tab. So click on file, new, Apex class. Here I am creating the Apex class by the name Visualforce Action Poller. Click OK. So in this Apex class we are taking batch job status of string type. Visualforce Action Poller, in this constructor we are passing batch job status not started, means initially it is going to display not started. Then public void check batch job status method simulate checking the status of a long running batch job. For example, you can query batch job status and set the result. So batch job status equals in progress. This would be dynamic in a real time scenario. So also we need to create the Visualforce page for the same. So file, new, Visualforce page. So I am creating the Visualforce page by the name Visualforce Action Poller. Click OK. So in this Visualforce page we are calling the Apex class by using controller. In Apex form, batch job status displays the batch job status by using Apex output panel, ID status panel, and in P tag we are using current status, batch job status. This should be in this format only. Action poller to refresh status panel every 10 seconds, that is 10,000 millisecond. Apex action poller interval 10,000 action, it should be like this only. Check batch job status and re-render status panel. Closing the Apex form and Apex page. Save the Visualforce page and click on preview button. So batch job status, current status we are seeing not started, as this value is coming from the constructor. So in the real time, when we are dealing with batch job, we have to provide the real time batch job ID and the details. Then it is going to refresh from the server side in every 10 seconds. Thank you.